Hello, YouTube! Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make yourselves a car for any game, for racing, BBR possibly, anything like that. So I'm going to teach you today to how to make a car for BBR. So I am going to make this car right here. Let me find it real quick. This one right here. So just gotta find it really good. My computer's a little bit laggy right now. Here's a better picture, but not the gummy car. So here I got a match of cars. So here's the car that I will be using. So to figure this out, I am going to need the car code, or the color codes, excuse me, for this one. So all you gotta do is just hit Control C and bring it over here into this hashtag, Control V, and then you gotta put a hashtag in front of it to make it look the red. This website is called Clicky.com. I will leave it down in the description below. I will leave all the links in the description below. So when you guys have the idea to how to make a scheme. So I have the red, and all you gotta do here is click the arrow real quick, hit this paint bucket tool, and you can make it rain look like this. Oh shoot, I messed up. That's what you gotta do the arrow for. So continue to click on this. This is for a league that I will be using. Alright, now you gotta zoom out here. So the Skittles brand. So what you gotta do is, if I look up, sorry, I need to look at this one more time real quick, just to take a look at what happens. It's a plain red car with a Skittles design on it. So if we can look at that, it's pretty simple. Sorry, I cannot spell it all. And you might find it. You might not. Okay? But if we go over here, click on the Skittles logo. This could work, okay? But I might use this one just as an example, or this one. So what you gotta do, once you paint your thing red, I forgot to do the outside. Once you paint your thing red, all you gotta do is go over here and click the download button, and it will pop up in your thing. So once you've done that, you're gonna go to this website right here, pixlerx.com, and you can see I have made a lot of schemes here. So what you're gonna do is open the thing up, like you said. Now I'm gonna pick this Skittles thing. This is gonna be our tire. This is gonna be our. Sorry, this is gonna be our link. So we gotta copy and paste it into this thing right here, and then we gotta go to Magic Cutout so we can get the white background away from out of the car. So it might look a little weird because I kind of cut part of that. We might not use this one. So if you have that issue, just click on it, delete it again, just copy another image, and go back and paste it again. It's really simple, really easy. There we go. Now it does not have that issue. Did not mean to do that. And alright, I think that is all. So now what you gotta do is scale it down to the size of the hood. Make it right and easy. Scale it back up to the right of the hood. And there we go. So there we go. That's one part of the Skittles design. But now we have to get this design real quick. And this is the one I think works well, I believe. Alright. Got a Kobe. just copy and paste it again, and all you gotta do is go up to Magic Cutout and cut all that out. Now this one, we actually had a problem. So if this ever happens, which it might not use this one because of this reason, but I'm gonna find, because if we look up, I'm just gonna make it a little bit easier, images, and then we go to Skittles logo down here. Right. I want one that goes up like this. I'm gonna put. See, here's the thing. I want something else different like that. So all you gotta do is just take a lot of time just to find the thing. I'm gonna use this one. No, I'm actually gonna use this one because it looks awesome. Not gonna lie. So here we go. Cut this out like so, and then you can go down here and cut these out like if you want to. Now, it just does look better, and I would recommend. So now what you gotta do is scale it. So let's scale it to match the wheel. And there we go. So all you gotta do is just duplicate that layer. Go over here to this. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna have to flip the image. So if this ever happens, I just realized I'm gonna have to flip the image. So calm down one sec. Oh yeah, actually. So we have a problem here, folks. If this, I'm just gonna flip it. Upside down. Oh, random. Okay. Sorry. So now, just gotta do a little bit of skidding, getting stuff down. Okay. I could do this one. Or this one. I'm gonna do this one because I have an idea. So, if this ever happens, just kind of delete. Well, don't do that, please. There's an undo button for that reason. And then just copy and paste. Magic Cutout. I just realized that freaking broke the whole entire thing. So, for a solution, I will be drawing this technique. I think it did it with a whole bunch. Yeah, I did it with the eye. Okay. Alright, so this is down to 1 pixel. It might not be exact, but it's gonna work. S? I think that just did the S too. It ain't much, but it's honest work, if you know what I mean. So, just a little bit of editing you have to do to some of these things just to make them work, and that's okay because a life does that sometimes. You just gotta take with it. So, alright. Now that I have edited it, it looks a lot alike, so I'm gonna just keep on cutting out. See, it's just a little easy little fix, and it will look the exact same here on the car. Alright, so I have done my masterpiece. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. I don't know why I duplicated it. Oh. Oh, the misery. Oh no. Oh, the misery. Why did I have to do that? Now it's gonna look so weird. There we go. Fixed. Now, to make this look a little bit better, just go to search for Skittles. Make, um, I need, I need to do this again because things happen. Um, per, why is Burger King over here? Okay, I'm just using this for like, product. Please don't come at me. I'm just using this for what is this? This is awesome. This guy, you're a legend. Whoever made this, man, you are freaking a legend. Because I am going to use it. Because doesn't that look cool? Like, that looks sick. Alright, by the way, so all you have to do is go on to Roblox Studio. I will show you all of this process. So we don't need the colors or the Skittle logo again. So I'm going to roll up my Roblox. Excuse me. I'm going to roll up my create thing. And I'm going to get you your product. So now what you're going to do is you're going to search up. I'm using this for my purposes only. But you can do anything else than this. Okay? You can do anything you want with these. It's your own car. Do what you have to do. So, honestly, you guys gotta do the same thing. When you import an image from Google, from anywhere really, you just have to import it. I'm gonna use this tactic, the one that NASCAR teams have to use now. Make that number big. And dupe the little one. This, my friends, was a good scheme. So my name, I'm just gonna put these. Click on this, pull out a text right here. I use for NASCAR names. I use this one right here, and then the sizing I do about 12 or 16. It works. And then italic in uppercase, and then you have this, a text image that looks like a car, a vehicle. Okay, there we go. It's not right. It's not perfect. All you gotta do now is click the save button, save as, and I'm gonna put it in my graphics card. So next you gotta go over to decals on the Roblox page. Decals, click choose new file, and I'm going to go up to my graphics section, pick the one that you want to make. It was this one. Upload it. Obviously, I'm going to change the name to. I spelled that so wrong. Probably going to get so many bad things about that. So hit upload once you chose a file. It's going to load for a lot of time. So now once you have this one, you're going to go click on the Skittles. If it would click. Copy this ID in this number. Hit Control C. Now go back to create a new experience, and click Open Roblox Studio. Now once we reload this, thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I hope to give you a lot more content about racing and how the racing works on Roblox. So next you want to click this classic base plate, and now you have this. So now what you want to have, guys, is have Explorer and have Properties open as the toolbox. Click Part, open this part, and insert an object. Now this object is going to be a decal. So what you want to do is click the decal, click this decal, and over down here, you want to go down to text, texture, and you're going to paste that right onto it. So now, my friends, you're going to want to type your name in. I know I spelled that wrong. Please don't look at me. And now it looks like you've made a scheme. Let's go to this side. Here. Here it is. There's in a car. So you're gonna go copy that again. And for this process, I am going to use the the NASCAR race place. I joined one of my friend's private servers so I can show you this. So once it's out of the Roblox studio, it will take a couple of seconds to give moderation, but once it does that, I think we have created a game. So decals, and it should load in sooner. There it is. It's passed the inspection. This is my car that I have made. So we're in this together forever. Oh, that was not the right vehicle. Camry, that was the one. So I'm just using this as an example. So here we go. Go down to the side, see, click on that and enter. And this, of course, did not work. Of course it didn't. But it still looks cool. If I enter it like 15,000 times, it probably won't spawn. Okay, but that's all. That's how you make a custom scheme. If you're making it for a Discord channel, make sure to post it in it. So keep up to date, and we will see you guys in a little bit. Hopefully you like this tutorial, and I will see you guys in just a couple of minutes. I will make another video on my racing experience and my racing league. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Goodbye.